Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 15, unit number 3, control structures. 10th class, we are going to study our lecture number 15, in which we are going to study unit number 3 of control structures. In our previous lecture, we had studied different basic statement, that was print and print using. Print was used to print data on screen using colon and using semicolon and comma, and print using is used to print string and numeric value with different ways. Today we are going to study our U number 3, which is control structures. Let's go through our introduction. Control structures control the flow of execution of a program. There are three types of control structure in BASIC. These are sequence, selection and loop. Sequence, in a sequence, selection, condition based and loop. These are also condition based, but in a way that until the condition goes false, the loop continues. All programs use some of these control structures to implement the program logic. So far we have been using only the sequence structure. In sequence structure, instructions are executed according to the increasing order of their line number. Too much coding we have studied in our last unit, unit number 2. All was the example of sequence structure. In this unit we are going to study selection, loop and sequence again. So the instructions are smaller line numbers are always executed first. Then instructions add greater line numbers. For example, the following program demonstrates a sequence structure. REM remarks. This program does not transfer control to any statement. Remark, conditionally or unconditionally the statements are executed. Remark in the same sequence in which they are written. R is equal to 10.5, area is equal to 3.14, multiply asterisk sign R, asterisk sign R. Print area is equal to semicolon area end. Output 346.185. Okay. In GW Basic, during the execution of a program, the program control can be transferred from one part of the program to another conditionally or unconditionally. GW Basic from one part of the program to another conditionally or GW Basic provides statement for both types of transfer of control. In unconditional transfer of control, the program control switches to specific line by skipping one or more lines without any condition. In conditional transfer of control, the program control switches to a specific line of number by skipping one or more program lines depending on a certain condition.